Hi, I'm Cameron from VICIVISION UK. Now I'm here to show you how you can measure your part within seconds on the shop floor. With a purpose-built shop floor design, the Metrios will sit directly next to your machines, allowing the operators to get instant feedback on their process. With its simple-to-use interface, the Metrios software will allow operators to get feedback and measurements easily on their parts. With a modern interface and touchscreen technology, the operators can quickly and accurately get results from their parts. The Metrios has a very robust design. With its deployable ring light and onboard stepmaster as standard, it will allow the operators to have a reliable machine to use every single day. The Metrios can measure all the same items that a traditional optical measurement system can, with items such as distances, angles and radiuses, as well as other GD&T functions such as true position and parallelism. It has the full capability of an optical measurement system, but is fully able to sit on the shop floor. To stop operators filling out inspection reports, the Metrios at the end of every process can present to the operator a full first article inspection report. This will remove any sort of inaccuracies and variation in the operator filling out the data sheets and giving you a full traceability of all measurements which are taken. If you would like to find out more about shop floor inspection, get in touch with us at VICIVISION UK.